Hey Rob, what's going on, man? I just wanted to tell you that I love your Flip Phones Make Money course. It is by far one of the best courses I've ever done and completed. I think what I love most about it is that it's simple. You give us a process. All we have to do is just take action, follow that process, and we will see results. Literally, as soon as I completed the course, I followed what you said and did exactly what you said, and I profited money. Thanks a ton. I'm so happy that I invested money with you. It's by far the best decision that I made in 2017. Look forward to seeing what I can do for 2018. And yeah, I hope to talk to you soon. And I love the fact that with the Facebook group that we all can just connect, and there's thousands of other guys that we just help each other, bounce ideas off of each other and stuff like that. This is by far the easiest business I had. I also have a full-time job, so the fact that I know that I can work a 9 to 5, get out of work, and then work straight on my side hustle and make more in my side hustle than I did in my 9 to 5. So this business rocks. Thanks again, Rob.